are going to make a gluten-free bread, and I'm doing this for the first time. It seems like a lot of bags here, but it's really, it should be straightforward. So I'll show you first. We will do dry mix. This is dry yeast, dry yeast. Okay, I have weights to use cornstarch, and I need 170 grams. Okay, now I'm going to take buckwheat flour, and I need 120 grams. Brown rice flour, 105 grams. Okay, I need half a spoon of salt. I'm going to also use 1 teaspoon of xanthan gum. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of psyllium husk. Let's just mix it. Okay, now we need to do the wet part, and I have 3 eggs. I kept them at room temperature for a couple of hours because it's important. Temperature is important for the bread. I have honey. I also have a cup of, not full, maybe cup and 1/4 of cup warm water. And we will mix it together. Now let's mix wet part and dry part. Okay, I'm now mixing wet part and dry part together. And what I'm going to do, I have the form here, and just form, and I have oil spray just so it doesn't stick to. It's a nice dough. Um, it's mixed well. Now I'll put it in the form. You can see there is nothing left. I prepared pop seeds and flax seeds just to make it prettier. We'll see how it will look like. Okay, it's enough. Okay, done. And let's put it in the oven. You need to prepare your oven. Temperature is 350 Fahrenheit. And I'm sending this right into the oven. Let's put it for 50 minutes. And our bread is ready. Okay, our bread is ready. This is the first time I cooked it. I never tried this recipe before. So I'm going to check with you if it's turned to be good. I think I could have baked it maybe 10-15 minutes longer. I did 15 minutes to remind you, but I think it's pretty good for the first time. Let's try. It's definitely good.